My name is Paul Baber. I am a co-founder and chief product officer for AD-Moto. So we need enough power to run our maintenance department, run our mechanical department, and also charge 240 batteries for our electric bike fleet. Honestly, I've got nothing but good to say about EV chargers. It was as smooth as it possibly could be. We've done this a few times now, and so we're always prepared for the worst, but to be honest, we didn't have a single problem. Access was great, location was great, the timing was great, the staff were great, they worked like that. Well, honestly, got nothing but good things to say at the moment. She couldn't have gone any smoother, so I would recommend London EV chargers. As I said, this is the fourth installation that Steve's done for us. Every time he's done exactly what we asked and more. Obviously, when you're working in 50-year-old buildings, sometimes there's a couple of curveballs that come up. Always able to deal with them instantly. Not had any delays so far in the 4 installations. So yeah, 100% I would recommend them to do your EV installation if you're looking at that.